Hi student, I hope so you are doing well. I am Muhammad Umar from the English Key YouTube channel. So today we are discussion about difference between philology and entomology. So let's see. First of all we are discuss about philology and its short history. According to the history developed in 19th century in Germany. So, the study of history of languages. Philology is also the branch of linguistics and the study of history of languages. Historical study of literary text. This is a very important line. Historical study of literary texts. A person who expert this kind of study is called philologist. Entomology. Entomology study of the origin of words. It's also the branch of linguistics. Discuss how the meaning of the words change over the period of time. In this, we study the concept of prefix and suffix. In focus on breaking the words into interrupt the word based on understanding of small parts. It means we can understand the entomology is also the study of one word divided into a two parts. One word into a two parts. It means prefix and suffix. Let's see the entomology example. The root of English is Engel, which came from the accent Germanic tribe. Germanic tribe is derived the word of Engel. The Anglers who speak a language that later became English. I hope so you understand the both of these topic. Thanks for watching. Support our channel, like, comment and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.